Welcome back to Painted Kids. This is Jessica, and today we're going to be learning to draw Babo. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know, with you guys supporting us and following us, it allows us to continue to do what we do, and that's make awesome art videos for you. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is Babo's head, and we're just going to come up, around, and then we're going to stop about halfway and do 2 bumps, and then continue on down and around and in, and there's Babo's head. Alright, now we're going to go on to his arms. So we're going to go to one side, we're just going to come down and curve in just a little bit, and then for his thumb, curve around and up. So we're going to go to the other side, curve up, and then curve down and up again, and there is our arm and hands. So for his body, we're just going to make a nice big U shape, and it's going to continue up past his arms just a little bit there. And then his feet are just going to be down, around, and up. Down, around, and up. And there is Babo's body. Now we're going to do his face, and his eyes are a little bit on the smaller side, and they're not going to be completely centered in his head. So they're going to be off to the side just a little bit because he's looking to the left here. So we do his 2 circles for his eyes, and then a little black circle right in the middle of his face. And there you are. Now we're going to go over and we're going to do his smile. So we're going to do a nice wide half watermelon kind of shape, and then a straight line completely across. And there is our Babo smile. And then 2 little rectangles for his teeth here, and then his tongue. Just like that. And now with his colors, it's very simple. We're just going to be making him gray. We're going to be making the inside of his mouth black, and we're going to make his tongue red. And that is our Babo from Ugly Doll. Now if you guys like this video, then go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more fun videos just like this one, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want to show off any of your Ugly Doll creations to us, go to any of our social media platforms. Their links will be in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you next time.